It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video, I will be creating another Juneteenth DIY, but this time I'm using a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. Let's go. So as you can see, I have this black paint here. I think this paint came from I think it came from Pop Chef to be exact. And what I'm doing is applying a generous amount of this paint on top of the pizza pan, and now you see me making some lines because we will be painting inside of each line. The flag colors are the colors for the Juneteenth memoriam. Those colors can be red, green, and black, or it can be a combination of blue, black and white, and also the more popular colors are the green, the red, the white, the yellow, and black. So I've chose the more popular colors to paint this piece. And as you saw, I drew the lines, and now I am painting on the inside of the lines. Now I didn't worry too much about the lines being straight because I knew that I was going to add a wood element to this piece, and you will see what I'm talking about. I used some flat dowel rods to give the illusion that this was like a shiplap. But nevertheless, I wanted to give you all another Juneteenth DIY in honor of the upcoming holiday, and I've had requests for some Juneteenth decor, so I have a couple of more DIYs that I will be bringing to the channel next week, so stay tuned for that. And then afterwards I will be doing a summer collaboration. So again, Joy is busy, and Joy actually will be returning to the office next week instead of working remote. So I'm trying to get as much stuff done between now and then, because it's going to be an adjustment for me after working 10 months remote. But everything in the video is self-explanatory. Again, all I did was just outline the different paint colors with one of these flat dowel rods. I think these dowel rods, I want to say they came from Lowe's, or I may have ordered them from Amazon. I can't remember. I think this is an Amazon purchase. But yeah, guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you all have had a great week. I hope that you've been enjoying these Juneteenth DIYs as well as the Independence Day DIYs. Also, guys, if you are watching this video and you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So what you see me doing is just some touch-up painting around the rim of this pizza pan, because some of the paint color bled over, and so I decided to just go ahead and switch that all up. I ended up getting one of those little packs of wood. They come in like, I think, a 6-pack, and I just stained it using some of that black paint. And then now I am using some of these florals that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am just inserting them inside there because what we did was just made a Juneteenth wall planter. I think this turned out super amazing. I'm using some of those stickers that I found from, or actually bought from the Dollar Tree, and they are kind of clear with a black and silver finish, and I just spelled out the word June, made the number 19th, and making my jute twine bow to put in the corner of this piece. And that is going to be it for this project. Guys, you're going to have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section of the video. And also, as a reminder, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And as you can see, I had to add some more of that hot glue to the bottom dowel rod because it was just lifting. But I think this turned out super cute. You guys gotta again let me know what you think. You've got to make sure that you click on that subscribe button if you have yet to do so. And guys, we are now headed into the reveal. Now you've got to let me know, bow or no bow. Would you have painted the little plaque a different color? I mean, I think it turned out super cute. This is one of those DIYs that's very inexpensive to make, and I think it turned out cute. And always remember that we as crafters craft for your inspiration. So if you are inspired by anything that I create on my channel, please just recreate the project and then just send me a video of it, and I will be more than happy to share your video on my community post area of YouTube. That way others can see your work. Guys, I pray that you all have a great weekend. I will not be online this weekend as I will be working on some upcoming things that I will be bringing to a channel near you soon. So have a great weekend, and until the next DIY.